Hello student, today we are going to learn the biology of class 10. So last period we have discussed its introduction, life process introduction, and similarities and differences between living and non-living things. So today we will discuss its importance of food and what are the life processes. So all the living things perform some basic functions every day, such as nutrition, excretion, growth, coordination and control and development. So let's see. All living organisms perform some basic functions to keep themselves alive. These basic functions performed by living organisms to maintain their life are called life processes. Some life processes are nutrition, respiration, transportation, excretion, control and coordination, growth, movement and reproduction. So we all need these things in our life to be alive. Whatever the process may be, we need energy. So to need energy, we require food. So here nutrition means the one you are having food. You might be having food right now or after this video, because you need energy to focus on your studies, to focus on your work, to focus on the things that you have to do. Then comes respiration, breathing. Then transportation, you move around from one places to another. Excretion, to throw away the waste materials in your body, from your body. If there is lots of waste which you have not thrown out, then that will be the difficult or problem in your stomach. Then control and coordinations, so that is a function of our brain. Then growth and movement and reproduction. So now come to the energy for life processes. All living organisms need energy, which is used to perform various life processes. Living organisms obtain this energy from food. So all living things on this earth need energy. Either it is bacteria, protozoa, small microorganisms. They need food to continue their life. Either it is big or small, we need food to maintain our body, to give energy to our body. Thus, food is a type of fuel which provides energy to all living organisms. Like I have said, a car without a fuel or petrol is useless. They cannot run. They always stays at one place without moving. So likewise, we need, or animal needs, living thing needs food for moving around or for doing the work. Actually, living organisms continuously need energy for their various life processes and for all the other activities to perform chemical reactions. Metabolism constitutes chemical reactions that take place in cells, take place in the body, require energy. So even when you are sleeping, your body continue to do the works. So with that, we need energy to do that work. So what are the things that while we are sleeping or while we are unconscious, automatically they do their work? So such as, for example, our heart beats non-stop even when we are asleep, pumping blood throughout the body, and similarly respiration goes on without any break. So even when you are unconscious or even when you are sleeping, you can perform the breathing, respiration. You can perform the heartbeat. You can perform the pumping of the blood and many other activities that you find while you are unconscious. So this chemical metabolism occurs in our body unconsciously. All these processes require a continuous supply of energy. So these processes require continuous energy. To maintain our life, we need every day. We need food every day. Without food, we cannot continue our life. This energy comes from the food which we take nutrition or which we take daily. Thus, food is essential for all living organisms to obtain the required energy. Everything comes from the food, so we must continuously eat our healthy diet to get carbohydrates, to get fats, to get energy, to get vitamins. These are the things that we need continuously supply every day to our body, inside our body. Now let's talk about the importance of food. All living organisms need for the following reason. Number one is it is the source of energy. Number two, to supply a raw materials for repair, growth and development of the body. Number three, to supply the body with nutrients like vitamins and minerals. So here, what are the importance of food? The importance of food is that first thing is they supply energy in our body. They give us raw materials for repairing. Even if you are injured or even if you are very small or even if you are big, it requires energy, it requires food. Without it, you can not survive. So take an example, you have cut your finger or you have done something to your body, injuries to your body. So what we require food, we require raw materials to fix our body completely. So the third point, to supply the vitamins in our body or minerals in our body. We need calcium, minerals like calcium, phosphorus and all, and vitamins A, vitamin D, vitamin C. So these are the things that we need in our daily life. So student, after hearing the explanation, please write the notes on your copy, on your full copy, and after the school reopens, the copy will be checked properly.